what's up guys, Teenage iPod, or Ryan, Teenage iPod here, Ryan Simonovich, the Ryan S Vlog 96, whatever you want to call me, doesn't really matter. But today I've got another vlog for you guys. So, this is my creek right now. It's been raining like fucking hell, and it's freaking annoying, dude. But you see this creek here, it's about 6 feet wide, but it's usually like 3 feet wide. And you see down there, you can kind of see where the water's been. It used to be like 2 inches from the hillside. So it was like 15 feet, like yesterday, like at the peak of the storm. It was like 15 feet, flowing like really fast. So, and downstream here, there's actually a waterfall. So it was like, it's like a dam kind of, with like a piece cut out of it for the water to flow. But it just goes over the cement part when it's really stormy. So I just fell down that hillside. Kind of dirty now. But yeah, it's kind of a little more slippery than it was the other day. But we just walk through here. And yeah, speaking of the other day, this whole flat part where I'm standing right now, this used to be submerged. Like, I would be underwater right now. So here's a little close-up of the creek. And you can hear the waterfall probably. You can hear it all the way up at my house, which is up that hill. So there's the waterfall I was talking about. And yeah, it's just a peaceful little waterfall in the summer, but when it rains, it gets pretty raging. So let's move up here. See that? Kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but you know, it used to be a lot bigger, like class 5 rapids, my mom said. Let's just get a cool close-up shot. Yeah, and it used to be like coming right here. You can see the water marks. So yeah, I could jump across that if I wanted to. It's only like 2 feet, but I'm not gonna. And you see there's a down tree. And let's climb back up here by the tree again. Yeah, so that flat part over there, this used to be all submerged in water yesterday when I got home from school. And then that tree right there, the water was going up the hillside and around the tree. If the water got any higher, it would like waterlog the tree and fall down. And yeah, but it would fall down that way, so it wouldn't hit my house, which is up there. That's about 100 feet tall. There's some like 200 footers on my property. They're pretty gnarly redwoods. So go back up. And then, so that was the waterfall. And then this is the creek again. And it's starting to rain. I don't know. It might just be the trees dripping, but You know, the weather's been really weird lately. Like, see, it was like Monday and Tuesday. It was sunny on Tuesday, but on Monday, yeah, it was sunny on Tuesday, but on Monday it was Monday and Wednesday, it was like kind of rainy in the morning, but it was sunny in the afternoon. And it was really annoying because like you didn't know what the weather was gonna be like that day. So yeah, we're just walking back up here. You see, that's my house up there. That's my dog in the window right there, but there's these big windows so you can see the creek. And it's really cool when it's really stormy, you know. Here it is again. And then, you know, there used to be a trail going down here, but it's kind of like slanted out now. It's like eroded back into the hill. So if you see, oh, let's get a better angle. You see that hose right there? We climbed down the hill with that. It's super fun. And there's another trail, but it doesn't get used. Let's see, right in that area, there's this huge tree trunk, I guess. It's a log tree trunk. It'd be a big ass tree. I don't know, but it's just about 15 feet long, diameter of about 5 feet, and it's hollowed out, so it's really cool. And you can get on top of it and stuff, so it's a nice hangout spot. So you can see it if we walk over here. Say hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Look at you. Oh, she's so cute. Okay. So you see, there's the hollowed out log. And then you could get to the creek that way, but we just go down the hillside. So I hope you guys like that. That was like 8 minutes long, I'm pretty sure. See you guys later. Say hi, Annie. Say hi. There you are.